guys, we've come to another place now. We're down in County Louth at the minute. We're at the finishing up in County Meath, and we're down at Monasterboice. As you can see on the sign here, there seems to be a little small tower just over here, and you probably won't get it on the camera because all the trees in the way. But we're going to go over and get a bit of footage of it, and then I'm going to throw the drone up and see where I can get as well, okay? So yeah, I'll talk to you in the next one. Cheers guys. So we'll make our way into the old monastery. Here's another part of it here. And then there's the tower then itself. Now you can't actually get into this tower, so I'm just going to go up the gate and have a quick look and see, can we see anything inside. All you can see is just the stairs and an old dustpan and brush. I'll just zoom in there just to show you. So dustpan and brush, a bag of rubbish. So somebody must clean her out every so often. So that's all we're going to get at that there, guys. Okay.